Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Galaxy phone even cooler by programming your power button to turn on your flashlight and setting up some fun back tap shortcuts. Let's dive in. First up, grab your GoodLock app. Once you're in there, head over to the Life Up section and find Registrar. From here, tap on Side Key and look for the press and hold action. This is where the magic happens. You can program it to do all sorts of things, but I've set mine to turn on the flashlight. So now, when I long press that power button, boom, my flashlight toggles on. Next, let's spice things up with some back taps. Go back to the Registrar module and find Back Tap Action. You'll see options for double tap and triple tap. For the triple tap, I've got mine set to open up Twitter, super handy. Just tap in there and select what you want it to do. Now for the double tap, choose what app you want to pop up. I've got mine set to open YouTube so I can dive into videos on Flash. And that's it. Once you set this up, you're all done. If you found this helpful, follow me for more awesome tips.